sleeping past daylight. Waking up, you're not by my side. Baby, that ain't right. I wanna be there with you. I really do be missing you. Everything I do is for you, and I really do adore you. You're getting so big now, and you're making me so proud. 'Cause you are such a star, and you know that you are. So I can't be there to hold your hand. I need for you to know that. I need for you to know that if anything should happen, anything should happen, anything could. If anything should happen, I know that you'll be alright. Know that you'll be alright. Just promise you'll be alright. You ready? Promise you'll be alright. If anything. Anything should happen.
Give it up for Nami Love, the specialist of the guests tonight, if I can say so myself. Good job.
Anything can happen, but you fall down, get back up, and you better believe that ain't nothing holding me back. So everything is alright, everything is alright, everything is alright. Promise I'll be, promise you'll be, promise we'll be alright. Promise you.